Yes, good afternoon students. Today we discuss about some different problems of trigonometry again. So again, in past videos we discuss some different ways, and here also all the trigonometric ratios can be expressed in single ratio. How it is observed students, here it is. First of all, I take first basic trigonometric ratio is sin theta. So arise the question carefully, observe students. All the trigonometric ratios, all the trigonometric ratios, all the trigonometric ratios expressed in sin theta. Expressed in sin theta only first. Okay students, all the trigonometric ratios. We know that 6 trigonometric ratios are there students, that is sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta. All the trigonometric ratios, how can I express in sin theta? Yes, observe carefully students, here it is. First one, sin theta equal to, we know that sin theta equal to sin theta. Okay, which is the reciprocal of sin theta, that is cosecant theta. So then here cosecant theta equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta. Okay, right. So before that, 3 trigonometric ratios are there students. So one is, observe carefully, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, and also secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And third one, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay. So once remember trigonometric identities. 3 identities students. So what about the first identity? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. And cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Okay. So numbering is main important students. Okay. Right. Comes to sin theta equal to sin theta. Sin theta can be expressed sin theta. Cosecant theta also can be expressed in sin theta. That is 1 by sin theta. Next. Therefore cos theta equal to. Observe carefully in that here sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, then cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. You know very well. Isn't it or not? Right? So cos theta equal to square root of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. If you know the cos theta, automatically this reciprocal you also know. That is here, then secant theta equal to this reciprocal, that is 1 by square root of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. So square root of 1 minus sin square theta is cos theta. Its reciprocal is represented secant theta. And finally, next, tan theta equal to formula students. So tan theta is a quotient relation, that is sin theta by cos theta. So that is tan theta equal to sin theta by, so cos theta expressed in like this way, then the reply square root of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta. Okay. Okay, if you know the tan theta, automatically this reciprocal is represented cot theta. So then cot theta equal to 1 by, reciprocal square root of 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta by sin theta. This is the way of approachment students. All the trigonometric ratios can be expressed in only sin theta students. This is the way of approachment. Let us discuss about each and every ratio can be expressed in cos to cot theta students. All of you must write in your notebook. Right. Observe students. Sin theta was completed. And next go for cos theta. all the trigonometric ratios expressed in cos theta. So first cos theta taken, students. Observe carefully here. Cos theta equal to cos theta. You know very well. If you know the cos theta, go for this reciprocal. Then secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Secant theta equal to 1 by cos theta. Right? Two completed at a time. Next. So observe, students, first identity sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then sin theta equal to square root of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So here square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Sin theta also expressed in cos theta. Next, cosecant theta. Cosecant theta equal to, right, students? Cosecant theta equal to, yes, this reciprocal is represented. Cosecant theta, that is 1 by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. So completed 4. Next, go for tan theta, students. Right. So tan theta. How can tan theta? Observe carefully. Right. Sin theta by cos theta equal to. Then observe, students. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta. You know very well. So this by this, you can get the result. Isn't it or not? So then that implies first one square root of 1 minus cos square theta by cos theta. This is the third one, students. First completed, second and third also completed. And comes to this side. If you know tan theta, automatically cot theta equal to this reciprocal, students. That is cos theta by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Cos theta by square root of 1 minus cos square theta. Okay, students? So yes, this is the fourth one, fifth, and also sixth. This is the way of approachment, students. Okay, all the trigonometric ratios can be expressed in cos theta only. Okay, second one is also completed. Go for next tan theta, students. Yes, observe carefully. Next, go for third question. All trigonometric ratios expressed in tan theta. Expressed in tan theta. Okay. Right, observe, students. So tan theta equal to tan theta. So then cot theta equal to 1 by tan theta. Next, students, observe here. Use second identity. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Therefore, secant theta equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So secant theta equal to square root of 1 plus tan square theta. So by using second identity, students, if you know the secant theta, automatically cos theta equal to, right, 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta, isn't it? Right? Next, go for sin theta and also cosecant theta. So possibility, observe carefully, students. Use any way, whatever it may be. So tan theta equal to, here observe, tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. So but we want only sin theta, students, which implies sin theta equal to tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta into cos theta. So tan theta as usual. Cos theta replace what we have taken here, 1 by. So 1 by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. So tan theta into 1, nothing but tan theta. So finally what we conclude here, tan theta by square root of 1 plus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, completed. And automatically this reciprocal. So then square root of 1 plus tan square theta by tan theta. tan square theta by tan theta. This is the way of acknowledgement. All the trigonometric ratios expressed in tan theta. Okay, so tan theta was completed, students, and go for next identity, that is cot theta. All the trigonometric ratios expressed in cot theta only. Right. Next one. Claim it, students, all of you. Right. Observe carefully here. Cot theta. So cot theta equal to cot theta. This reciprocal is represented tan theta. So that is 1 by cot theta. Next one. Observe third identity, students. We can get cos theta. So here these two terms interchange it. So cos square theta equal to cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. So here we want cosecant theta. Is it or not? So cosecant theta equal to square root of 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, student? Minus 1 transfer outside becomes plus, square transfer outside becomes square root. We know cosecant theta automatically is sin theta. That is 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. 4 completed. Next relation taken, student. Tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Is it or not? So here their cos theta equal to what you get, sin theta by tan theta. Sin theta by tan theta. It changes, student. We can get same result. So cos theta equal to sin theta by tan theta. This value we can express at first. Then that implies sin theta, that is 1 by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. Yes, by again tan theta is 1 by cot theta. So this value is in the position of numerator. Cos theta equal to cot theta by square root of 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta. Right, students? I thought all of you analyzation is completed. Okay? No doubts at all. Yes, if you get secant theta automatically, cos theta, secant theta, reciprocal taken. Then square root of 1 plus cot square theta. 1 plus cot square theta by cot theta. Cot theta. This is the way of expression in cot theta, students. Right. Next, students. All the trigonometric ratios expressed in secant theta. Secant theta. Right, observe carefully. Same procedure. So secant theta equal to secant theta. So then cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. Okay. And also observe second identity, students. Therefore tan theta equal to square root of secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1 by using second identity, students. Next, automatically cot theta equal to 1 by square root of secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. Isn't it? Right. Next one. How to get sin theta? So observe carefully. We know that tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. Then sin theta equal to tan theta into cos theta. Sin theta equal to tan theta into cos theta. Okay, right. Tan theta value is square root of secant square theta minus 1. So here cos theta equal to 1 by secant theta. That is finally square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. Secant square theta, square root of secant square theta minus 1 by secant theta. Okay, students? Right. So if you getting sin theta, automatically go for cosecant theta, reciprocal. That is secant theta by square root of secant square theta minus 1. Secant square theta minus 1. These are the all trigonometric ratios expressed in secant theta students. Okay, right. Go for next last identity, that is cosecant theta. All the trigonometric ratios expressed in cosecant theta. Cosecant theta. Okay students, right. Right. Cosecant theta equal to cosecant theta. Next one, sin theta equal to 1 by cosecant theta. Next one student. So observe here using third identity. So cot theta equal to square root of cot theta. Observe student, by using third one, square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1 by using third identity. Isn't it? Right. Next, tan theta equal to 1 by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. Cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay. Next one. We know that same apply relation student. Then cos theta equal to sin theta by tan theta. Sin theta by tan theta. Sin theta value is 1 by cosecant theta by tan theta equal to 1 by square root cosecant square theta minus 1. This value in the position of numerator. That is here square root of cosecant square theta minus 1 by cosecant theta. And this reciprocal taken students automatically will get secant theta also. So then that implies cosecant theta by square root of cosecant square theta minus 1. These are all the terms expressed in cosecant theta only students. So we complete all the trigonometric ratios expressed in sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, secant theta and cosecant theta student. All of you must enter the notebooks. This is very very important in examination point of view students. Right. Right. So compound angles. Right friends. So here observe sin of a plus b formula. So all of you must learn carefully students. Sin of a plus b equal to, we know that sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Next one, sin of a minus b equal to so sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. Right students, here plus, here also plus, minus, here also minus. But cos is different students. Cos of a plus b, observe carefully. Cos of a plus b equal to, right, cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Next one, cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay students, here plus, here minus, here plus. And go for tan students. Tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a tan b. And again tan of a minus b equal to tan a minus tan b by 1 plus tan a tan b. And observe friends, go for fourth one. Next, cot students. So cot of A plus B, cot of A plus B equal to cot B cot A, cot B cot A minus 1 by cot B plus cot A, cot B plus cot A. Okay, and cot of A minus B, cot of A minus B equal to cot B cot A plus 1 by cot B minus cot A, cot B minus cot A. The trigonometric ratios of compound angle students. These are very, very important students. Learn carefully. Right, observe students. Trigonometric ratios of angles. P ratios of angles. 15 degrees and 75 degrees. 15 degrees and 75 degrees. Right. Observe carefully students, here it is. How to find it? So by using trigonometric ratios of compound angles concept, we can get the result students. Yes, first of all, observe carefully here. Sin of A plus B equal to sin of A plus B equal to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, cos A sin B. Okay students, observe carefully. So here substitute A equal to 45 degrees and B equal to 30 degrees students. B equal to 30 degrees. So we can get 75 degrees. And if you take subtraction, you get 50 degrees students. Yes, once rememberize trigonometric ratios table students. Yes, blindly observe this way. So 90 degrees, 45, 45, 1, 1, root 2. And here also 90, okay, 30, 60, 90, 1, root 3, 2. Isn't it all? So observe carefully students. Substitute A equal to 45 and B equal to 30 degrees. Then here it is sin of 45 degrees plus 30 degrees equal to sin 45 degrees cos 30 degrees plus next one cos 30 degrees into sin 45 degrees, sin 45 degrees. Okay students, so 45 plus 35 nothing but 75. So sin 75 degrees equal to sin 75 degrees equal to sin 45 degrees. So sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees students, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Okay. Next one plus cos 30 degrees. Here cos 45 degrees sin 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Right. Cos 45 degrees value, that is 1 by root 2 into sin 30 degrees value, that is 1 by 2. Okay. So then that implies, so this is root 3 by 2 root 2 plus, and here 1 by 2 root 2 students. So it becomes, okay, 2 root 2 as a LCM of denominator, finally it becomes root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root is the sin 75 degrees value students. So don't forget, and again keep writing here only sin 75 degrees equal to sin 75 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 students. Next, observe carefully students, how to find sin 15 degrees. Okay, sin of A minus B equal to sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. By using this formula, we can get sin 15 degrees value student. So here A equal to 45 degrees and B equal to 30 degrees. Substitute here. Then sine of 45 degrees minus 30 degrees equal to, right, sine 30 degree 45 degrees cos 30 degrees minus cos 45 degrees sine 30 degrees. Sine 30 degrees. Right. Observe carefully, students. So which implies 45 minus 30 degrees, it becomes sine 15 degrees. Sine 15 degrees equal to sine 45 degrees. How much sine 45 degrees value? 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees, that is root 3 by 2, minus next cos 45 degrees, that is 1 by root 2 into sine 30 degrees, that is 1 by 2, students. Okay. So then that implies root 3 into 1, root 3. So root 3 by 2 root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So finally it becomes root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the final solution, student. So sine 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. So here sine 15 degrees equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, students. 2 root 2. Okay. So and so observe carefully here. Next one, cos of A plus B. By using cos of A plus B, we can get cos 75 degrees value, student. Cos A plus B equal to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. Okay. Here A replace same as it is 45 degrees and B replace 30 degrees. Substitute, students. Then cos of 45 plus 30 degrees equal to, right, cos 45 degrees and also cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees and also sin 30 degrees, students. Then observe the values directly. Cos 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2 into cos 30 degrees value, that is root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. So minus sin 45 degrees value 1 by root 2 and sin 30 degrees equal to 1 by 2, students. So same procedure, that is here 2 root 2, here also 2 root 2, students. Directly root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 is the solutions. Okay. So we can express here, students. So cos 75 degrees equal to how much value? Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. And comes to same procedure, students. By using second compound angle formula, that is cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Sin A sin B. So observe, students, here it is. Then that implies substitute A replace 45 and also 30 degrees. So cos 45 degrees minus 30 degrees equal to, so cos A. So cos 45 degrees and also cos 30 degrees plus sin 45 degrees and also sin 30 degrees. So observe, students, in previous in downside, just signs only change, students. What you get finally? Minus replace first substitute, that's it. So finally it becomes, okay, first substitute values 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 plus, and again 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. So final solution is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 to root 2. So here then cos 15 degrees equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2, students. That is the values of 75 degrees, 15 degrees. Here cos sin 75 degrees, cos 15 degrees are equal, and cos 75 and sin 15 degrees value also equal, students. Okay. Next, tan 15, tan 75 degrees, students. So here, tan A plus B, tan of A plus B equal to, so I said already, tan A plus tan B by, tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B, 1 minus tan A tan B. Okay, students, observe carefully. Substitute A replace 45, B replace 30 degrees, students. So tan 45 plus 30 degrees, 45 plus 30 degrees equal to, so here it is tan 45 degrees plus tan 30 degrees, tan 30 degrees by 1 minus tan 45 degrees into tan 30 degrees, students. So which implies tan 45 degrees value 1, tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3 by 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3, isn't it? So which implies, so here observe carefully, take root 3 as the LCM of denominator. So root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1 by root 3 divided by, and also here same procedure, root 3 minus 1 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled, students. What you get finally? So it becomes root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. Rationalize the denominator. Here, what is the rationalizing factor of root 3 minus 1? Root 3 plus 1. Is it or not? So rationalize the denominator, that is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. Root 3 plus 1 by root 3 plus 1. It becomes a plus b into a plus b whole square, that is root 3 plus 1 whole square by here root 3 whole square minus 1 square. Okay, observe, students, here it is a square, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, student, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Root 3 whole square value nothing but 3, and also plus 2ab means 2 root 3 plus 1 by root 3 whole square means 3. 3 minus 1 nothing but 2, students. So here 3 plus 1 how much value? 3 plus 1. Okay, select in this, students. Upside observe. So it becomes 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. Okay, so then 2 as a common factor of numerator.